Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to view your Instacart order receipt on iPhone. First, open the Instacart app and tap Login. Enter your email and password, then tap Login again. Next, tap View Account, then select your orders. Find the order you want to check, tap on it, and scroll to the bottom. Tap View Receipt to see all the details, including items, prices, and totals. And that's it. Now you can easily view any Instacart order receipt right from your iPhone. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.